Hi, I'm Michael Joy. Welcome to ShapeshiftersTV.com. No, whoops, I'm supposed to say that later. Hi, I'm Michael Joy. Welcome to Shapeshifters TV. We have a quick channel update for you because we have some new tools at your disposal. They're mostly organizational tools. If you go to ShapeshiftersTV.com, you'll be able to navigate a lot of our videos. We have over 140, and there's probably another 50 or 60 that are booked to launch pretty soon as well. YouTube, in my mind, does not do a great job of letting you sort yourself through the content. And this navigational portal, our website, is going to let the ceramicists get to the ceramic information fast, the bronze people to the bronze, the 3D, etc., etc. In addition to the hand-ufacturing content, which a lot of you have been watching, thank you for that, we have some other storylines. There's a couple of the channels that I have, as well as in the hand-ufacturing platform, you'll see some business stories, which I've been itching to get to. I'm more than just about how-to. I want people to be successful with some business lessons and hard knocks that I took, and we've turned them into some funny stories, but maybe you'll get a kick out of them. Those are there as well. In addition, we are getting ready to dive deep into our how-to series. You'll see a couple things that come up. One is I'll be here making some molds, laying down some safety and material handling and getting the basics out of the way. Ultimately, we have some fancier things planned for you. But in addition to that, some of you know that I wrote some books years ago but wasn't happy with the publishing contracts. But I have all that material, and Pasha is going to mash that up into some very, very meaningful, very detailed photo montages that take you through step by step ceramic mold making, silicone, urethane, statuary models, all sorts of things. It's really fascinating. To do that, there's a great cost, and we're trying to figure out what we need to do for monetization of that. Help is appreciated. I work for free, but Pasha needs a raise. He's a hardworking young guy, and he's really doing a great job. So if you ever give the support and the high five, just know that that's where it's going. My life is good, I'm stable, but the help around me, we need to give him a little lift. I can only do so much outside of my own world. So is that enough, Pasha? Maybe someone will share the love? That'll be good. When you go to ShapeshiftersTV.com, if you also take a minute to look at our other channels, you'll see there's an art channel. Some of you know I'm into metaphysics. There's something called Meta Moments and Creative Guidelines. These are all things that I'm not interested in pushing on anybody. They're my own personal philosophies. But I don't know, you may or may not find they're interesting, or you may just send me that guy's crazy, I'll just take the mold stuff, thank you. Hey, it's okay. It's all there for you to pick and choose and cherry pick. But we've worked really hard to get to this point. The studio looks great. Pasha reset this up as camera friendly. So I hope you continue to enjoy the ride, and we really do appreciate your time. Thank you for watching.